How to boost Snapchat score fast. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can boost your Snapchat score. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat application and get logged into your Snapchat account. From here, tap onto the chat icon on your bottom left. Here you will see all of your friends. Tap on three dot icon, then tap on new shortcut. You can add all your friends' account or any of your fake account if you have, then tap on create shortcut. You can also give an emoji to your shortcut, then tap on create shortcut. Now refresh your page and let's go ahead and take a snap. You could also take a longer video, which could be just blank videos, just to increase your Snapchat score. Once you take a snap, tap on to send to on your bottom right, and the shortcut that you just created will be shown at the top page. Simply tap onto it and tap on select all. Once done, tap on to send. Repeat this process and that way you will be able to boost your Snapchat score. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.